My biggest chief complaint is when you call the doctors at 9 a.m. or 8:59 and they say, we'll call you back when we can and we'll see if we can fit you in today. Hello, my kids are sick. I don't want to wait.
I'm on the phone a long time waiting, to see if I can talk to a nurse and decide if I could get in for an appointment. Maybe a lifetime if you add up all the hours.
And I wish my doctors had more same-day appointments or nights and weekends instead of telling me to go over to the ER when it's something that I know, something simple like strep.
Finding a doctor that accepts new patients is very, very hard. And then when you do find one that'll take new patients, you have to usually wait months.
I guess I wish the doctors would ask more questions, because a lot of times I find when they ask me a question, they're typing in what I'm saying, but not really listening.
There's a privacy law for teenagers where if they're between 12 and 17, you cannot access any of their medical records. And so I managed everything online for my two daughters until they were 12. And now I have absolutely no access to anything. I wish they would at least give me say appointment access or something like that, because I'm the one that really manages when they need to go in, et cetera, et cetera.
We jumped up, of course, ran to the ER. We got there. I'm panicking, about to have a nervous breakdown, and finally they get us in. It took quite a while. It was we were there, and the whole time I was nervous, not knowing what was going on. My son hadn't been seen. He was just sitting there basically, and I couldn't do anything, so he was just sitting there helpless.
I think better and or faster communication with our doctors would be good. I feel like if you aren't proactive with them, that they don't necessarily get things done in a timely manner. And I sometimes feel like, well, if this doctor could speak to this doctor, then maybe there'd be a lot less confusion on my end trying to keep everything straight.